Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. On this day in particular, I had been out of the house for most of the day at the dentist office with my 4 children. If you didn't know this, I do homeschool them. They are 12, 9, 5, and 3. So thankfully my mom came over to help, and so did my stepdad, and I started recording and cleaning shortly after they left. Our kitchen and living room was a little bit of a mess, and I wanted to also straighten up our sitting room area. My mom had brought some clothes over, so you'll see me move a tote in a little bit. So if you are new, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. I like to do cleaning videos weekly, and I every once in a while will do mommy lifestyle videos, but it's mostly a cleaning channel. So if you like that sort of stuff, then definitely stick around and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, I would love it if you would hit that thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy. Time to sort out all the fights. So I am starting off in the kitchen, and these dishes are taking me forever to do. As soon as I get them loaded up, I find more dishes, or somebody fixes something to eat and I load them again. So I do go to the dishwasher quite a few times in this video to load up a few dishes here and there.
Yeah, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. Still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Done now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Done now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and
My favorite dishwasher detergent that I have found that's on the natural side is this 7th generation. I love the way that it works. It doesn't mess up my dishwasher. I've used a couple of different ones before and they have messed up my dishwasher, or they haven't cleaned as well, or they have left like a residue. So now I'm having to wash my husband's cup that he just won. He works for FedEx and he gets a lot of stuff every once in a while, and this will not go in the dishwasher, so I have to hand wash it.
yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it.
So if you didn't know this, we just moved into our house just less than 2 months ago, and it was remodeled, and this sink looked beautiful whenever we first moved in, and within the first 2 weeks I did something and I scraped the sink really bad. So ever since then it just keeps scraping. So I'm not really sure what to do about it. It's basically peeling the first layer off of it. I'm not sure what's going on. So I try to clean it the best I can, and I use the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream and the vinegar gel. So I mix those and I will clean and scrub my sink using that. Every once in a while I'll also use my dish soap, which I'm still trying to finish up some of my other Mrs. Meyer's and Method dish soaps that I've had over the past year. So I am cleaning my sink, which is actually one of my favorite things to do. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite thing to do in the kitchen?
Now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never say goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me.
Now I am wiping off my dining room table and kitchen countertops using this Method multi-purpose spray. I believe it's in the pink grapefruit scent. I'm still trying to finish this off. I'm trying to go more natural and just use things like vinegar and essential oils. But first, I do want to finish off the products that I have already purchased because I don't want to waste my money on those.
Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, how can I give you more of my life? Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah. Oh.
just moving into the little sitting area, and I'm not really sure what that little glowing light is in the bottom of the screen. So yeah, just fluffing up my cushions, and then I'm just going to move into the living room and pick up some things that people have left behind. And I'm going to clean off this table. We purchased this table when we moved into this house from Ashley Furniture, and I am going to be using my 7th generation wood cleaner.
I grew up and I'm bitter, 0 out of 3, no. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me.
And now I am vacuuming all of the floors using my Dyson V8 cordless.
I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts, when life was good in the worn out sneakers, when we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirt, tomboy t-shirts. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?
And while I was moving those floor mats, I noticed that my refrigerator needed to be wiped down. So I'm using my Method Steel for real. I'm still finishing this up. Every so often I will use a multi-purpose cleaner or a glass cleaner like the Method one. But on this night in particular, I decided to use the Method Steel for real.
Wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
And I'm finishing up by using my favorite mop. This is the E-Cloth Deep Clean Mop. All you have to do is just soak it in water and wring it out and stick it on, and you just start mopping. And this lasts me my entire kitchen and dining room floor. If I were to move on to a different room like the bathroom or the downstairs hallway, then I would have to rinse it again because it will dry out.
But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
And every night before bed, I like to start up a load of laundry and then I will put it in the dryer the following morning. So I just decided to add this clip in there of me starting up a load of towels. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling,